Hi, my name is Chef Sherry Ronning, and I want to talk to you about my Griddle Secrets course. And I'm getting a lot of questions about what is this Griddle Secret course that you're talking about. I don't understand it. I'm not sure what you're talking about. So I just want to walk through and I'm going to show you exactly what my course is all about. And it is an online griddle training to help you expand your knowledge about the flat top griddle. And so my goal is to have everybody that's enrolled in my course to be griddling like a pro. So um let me give you a sneak peek into this is the only griddle course that you can get. There's no other griddle course out there because believe me, I've checked. I've looked to see what is available and what people are doing, and because I needed help. When I first started, I was scared to death to cook on the griddle. And so I bought the griddle for my husband for Father's Day and expecting him to be griddling on it. And needless to say, I ended up becoming the person that used the griddle more than he did. But I was afraid to do some certain things with it. And so I'm just here to help you, to guide you along your journey, whether you're thinking about getting a griddle and you're not sure if you can handle cooking on it, from somebody that maybe has bought in the griddle and not unboxed it. I've heard so many people tell me they bought it and it's still sitting in the box. So this course is for you, or if you've cooked on it and even seasoned your griddle and you're just not quite sure. I've heard stories where people say that all they cook is breakfast. What else is there to cook? And so I have a bank of recipes for you that you can go in and choose from and cook a griddle recipe. So let's get started. I'm going to share my screen here, and I'm going to show you the what you're going to see once you get into my course. So you're probably more than likely going to find this page, which this is where you go to sign up for my course. So I walk you through different things on, what the course is about, and it's the only online griddle cooking class that you can get. And you just there's several of these buttons, but you press the button and this will take you to the sales page where you will actually buy the course. Once you buy the course, you will get an email that will explain to you, will give you a link and take you to where the course is at. It's very simple. You can sign up. You can just go through the link whenever you want to go through it, or you can sign up with an email address and a password and make sure you bookmark it so you can go back to it often. This is a course that you're going to have forever. As long as I have this course online, which I plan on having it for a long, long time. And I plan on expanding it depending on what it is that you guys want me to have in this course. So you're going to click the button, pay for the course. Then it's going to take you to this customer center where it's going to show you that this is what you bought. This is a product that you bought, and you bought my Chef Sherry's online cooking classes. And so you're going to click on there. And this is where the different modules are, the different things that you're going to learn. And so you can go through at your own pace, at your own time. It doesn't have to be when I tell you to go do it. You just go whenever you have time, and you can go through this, one video a day. You can go through one a week. You can go through all of them in one day if you would like. So that's kind of up to you. But I do have different parts. I have the Griddle Basics, and then I have the Griddle Recipes, so section. So, and I'm going to be expanding on both of these and all the time. So just let me know what it is that you would like, and I will make sure to get it in here for you. So you just click on there, and it's going to take you to this. So if you've already unboxed and set up your griddle, then you're going to want to skip to another part. I talk about the different covers that you need, and Then I talk about how to properly clean and season the griddle. So this is just a part of it. I'm not going to show it all to you because I want you to go in and I want you to see what it is that I have available in here for you. But it's videos that you're just going to walk through, and I'm going to tell you exactly like cleaning and reseasoning your griddle. I'm going to tell you how to properly do this every single time you cook on your griddle. And I tell you why you need to do it, and the steps that if you don't do it, then this is going to happen, kind of a thing. So, and I talk about accessories, the different accessories that you're going to need. And I also talked about accessories that like I've bought and that I don't really use. Maybe you might use it if you cook in a certain way. But I tell you like different accessories that I feel are good for cooking on the griddle and not good. So it's kind of a little bit of both. So and then if you want to go back, so you want to cook, you're ready to cook your recipes, you're ready to cook, start cooking on the griddle. It's like, oh, what am I going to cook for dinner? I do this all the time. It's like, oh, I don't know what to cook. What do I cook for dinner tonight? It's almost dinner time and I have no idea what to make. So you can go in here in this bank of recipes, and I have the step by step, the videos, and I have the recipe. And a lot of this is quick cooking that you can make in a hurry. And some of it, like my fried rice, is a little bit longer, but I show you how to make fried rice on the griddle, and I show you from start to finish, which I show you how to cook my rice, which is different than I normal people cook their rice, which I didn't realize this until I had the videos out and people were like, that's not how I cook my rice. And I'm like, oh, wow, this is how I've been cooking my rice my whole life. And I didn't know there was anything different. And but this is how I make amazing fried rice, but it starts with the base. It starts with how you cook your rice. And so this in the recipe, I show you how to cook the rice. I show you how to cut up the vegetables, the proper sizes and stuff. And then I go out on the griddle and we actually cook the recipe step by step on how to make it. So this is how the videos are set up, and they're set up so that you can stop and start them. Like if I get, stuff happens and you're doing it and say company stops by and you're like, oh, I'm watching this video, and you could stop it and then start it and come back to it. Or if I get ahead of you and you're not quite at the point where I'm at, stop it and then you can continue on to it or rewind it if you need it, and you can watch these videos over and over and over again. They're always in here and I'm adding to these all the time. So I'm not going to show you everything that's in here because I want you to be surprised at what there is. I don't want to give out all my secrets right away. So but there is a whole bunch of recipes in here, and I'm wanting ideas from you on what more recipes that you guys are wanting. So I can add stuff to this all the time. It only takes me within a day, I can have recipe in here for you, and but just let me know what you want. So and let me get back to here. So I want you guys to think of this as not just a course, it is a community. I'm creating a community of like-minded griddlers that want to learn and they want to share. And we have our own private Facebook group, and it's a safe group to where you can share your pictures. You can share your questions, say, hey, I'm not sure how to do this, or what should I make? I'm having a party with a group of people, and what are some ideas for me to make? So this is what this course is all about. It's about creating a community of like-minded individuals, and I want you to join in this group. So go right now, click the link. I'm going to provide the link for you. Click the link, buy the course, and let's get into the group and start learning. So, and start sharing with others. So, I hope to see you. I hope this explains to you a little bit more about what my course is about. And I hope to see you in the group. And if you have any questions, just feel free to email me. We'll see you later. Bye.